Now to our much anticipated Weed of the Week.
Tikun Olam is believed to be the first company in Israel to distribute medical cannabis. In 2019, it was bought by another Israeli company, and today it goes by the name Tikun Olam Cannbit Pharmacueticals. Since its establishment in 2006, many other cannabis companies have entered the market. Vice President of Business Development, Haim, thinks Tikun Olam has something else to offer.
I think that there is uniqueness in our company that you cannot find a lot in the world. And the uniqueness is that we are treating the medical cannabis specifically as a drug and as a medicine.
In 2019, the cannabis market was promising. New investors came in, and everybody wanted a piece of the pie.
Wow, the market changed dramatically, I think, in the past 2 years. The number of patients is on a rise, on a constant rise. And the market is becoming more and more mature. It gets more and more open to exporting.
But investors weren't pleased. The longtime promise of exporting abroad was yet to be fulfilled. Tikun Olam is closer than ever to making that happen.
We did sign agreements with several pharmaceutical companies in the UK, in Germany and others in order to export soon, hopefully soon, when we reach the certification needed in order to export.
So when is it going to happen? Tell me some secrets.
I cannot. It's an internal information and I don't want to go to jail.
Tikun Olam doesn't only distribute cannabis, but it's also the company that published the most clinical research in the world on full-spectrum cannabis. It has its own labs where scientists are developing new methods for using cannabis. Only they are allowed to enter the labs. But Guy did share a secret project they're cooking.
One of them is together with Ahava, the cosmetic Dead Sea manufacturer. So we are developing together with them products that are not going to be cosmetic, that are going to be medical products with cannabinoids for the skin use for several different indications that we are interested in, several different diseases. There is an indication that for psoriasis there is a very good result for the use of cannabis.
The legalization of cannabis could harm the local medicinal industry. But Guy isn't concerned. On the contrary.
I'm pro legalization, and I think that it's the benefit for the industry and the benefit for the economic benefit for the Israeli market is huge. It's already happening in Israel. It's already happening under the ground. And making it legal, I think it's going to make it safer for consumption, going to put some umbrella under it of regulation and legislation. It's going to be positive.
With the promise of export and the possible legalization, not just in Israel, Tikun Olam shows great potential for growth. But more importantly, Tikun Olam is working on cannabis medicines that will offer relief to patients suffering from dementia, menstrual pains, and much more.